Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the play-along videos of all of me that are found on the Uke Play-Alongs page. What we're going to do in this video is we'll look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, and then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk strumming a little bit. If you want to support the work in this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both the Uke Play-Alongs and Uke Stuff channel. And third, you can always buy a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. First, you need the E minor chord. Now, if you're playing linear, not reentrant, but an ukulele that's tuned with low G, you may want to play the full version of E minor with 4 fingers. That's up to you. I find that E minor sounds a little funny with low G, but it works really well with high G. So I like the 3-finger variation on reentrant or high G GCA ukulele. Then you'll need a C chord, a G chord, a D chord, and then an A minor chord. And those are the chords you need to play all of me on GCA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. All right, on baritone, first you'll need an E minor chord, a C chord, a G chord, a D chord, and an A minor chord. All very nice, standard first position chords on baritone ukulele. All right, now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, please keep in mind that there is no single right answer here because there was no ukulele in the original version of All of Me. So there are 3 rules of strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Number 2, keep a steady tempo that matches either the recording or your own tempo if you're not playing with a recording. And third, make sure that whatever you're strumming matches the style of the music. As long as you do those 3 things, you're right. Now, the number 1 question on the Uke Play-Alongs channel is what's a strumming? And people are always looking for one singular right answer. There isn't any. However, if you need assistance, that's why I make these videos. It gives you an idea of what to do. This whole song at its core rhythmically is made up of this pattern: 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. And what I'm going to have you do, or suggest that you do, is you just play that pattern on down strums most of the time. It's going to sound like this. And quite honestly, that works for the whole song, except for the one part where it says single strums. Because then you just play, I generally play a single down strum with my thumb because it's strong and controlled more than if I did so with my finger. So my thumb gives me real control on a down strum like that. Otherwise, this is going to work great. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. It's going to work really well. If you want to break it up with some sort of picking, you can, but you're still going to have to stress that da 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 even with your strumming. So it would be something like this. Something like that. What am I doing there? I was just picking strings 4 to 1. If you watch this channel, you'll know that that's a technique that I stole from Ukulele Mike Lynch. It's used a lot in his playing, and I steal it a lot. It works really well. I'm playing like strings 1 2 4 and then 3 2 1. Actually, just 3 2, and then picking 1 2 4 again. On every beat there, those 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. I'm picking 1 2 4. But I don't think you need to do that. I think that gets too complicated. I think it's just easier to play along with it and sing along with it and feel. even on what feels like the slower part of the song, which really isn't, that pattern still on the ukulele is really lovely against the other things that are happening in the song. So hopefully with those chords and with that idea for strumming, that's all you need to be successful on All of Me. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.